Hello guys, welcome back, or welcome if this is your first time stopping by. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. I have these two little planks from Dollar Tree or Signs. This was from Valentine's. I'm going to be using one and I'm going to start painting it with this acrylic white paint, and I'm going to give it one coat. So I divided this plaque with some painter's tape, and I'm going to be using this color. It's called Cloudless from Apple Barrel. And I'm going to be removing the tape before it dries up. And now that it's completely dry, I'm gonna start using some more window clings. I've been using these window clings for the last few videos. I am in love with them. I'm gonna go ahead and use some Mod Podge, and this is the way that we are going to put it on top of this round plaque. So I purchased this big ribbon in a grab bag from Michaels, and I'm gonna make a simple bow. And with this beautiful ribbon, I'm gonna make a second bow, and then I'm gonna glue it on top of the blue one. And now let's go ahead and put some hot glue and put it on top of the plaque. So I got these little beautiful roses from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna use one and I'm gonna put it right up here. I'm gonna add a little bit more hot glue because the rose is coming loose. And then that little Hello Autumn sign that you see there, I went and I painted with this acrylic color, and it's Apple Barrel, and the color is Laguna. So I gave it one coat. I gave it a little heat so it could dry faster, and then with some hot glue I went on and I glued it right in the middle. And these little stems, I just cut a couple of pieces and I put it under the beautiful bow. Guys, if this is your first time stopping by, welcome to my channel. In this channel, I do DIYs on a budget, easy to do. I also do thrift flips, Dollar Tree DIYs, and I also do some collaborations here and there. And you can also find me on Instagram and Facebook. And if this is something that you do enjoy, I hope you do consider subscribing. Don't forget that notification button, so like that you can can get notified every time I upload a new video. And don't forget to give me that big thumbs up, and like that we can grow together. And now back to this beautiful project. Look how beautiful it turned out. I have a little bit of jute twine, and I'm just gonna go ahead and glue this right behind this plaque, and we are all done. Moving on with the next DIY, I purchased these 2 little wooden boxes at Dollar Tree. I truly do adore them. I think this is so beautiful. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to give it one coat. I'm going to give it one coat with this acrylic paint from Apple Barrel, and the name is Caribbean. I will be doing that to both boxes. Now that they are all dry, I'm coming in with this acrylic paint, and the inside of the box, which is the back side of the box, I'm going to go ahead and paint it with this white acrylic paint. I hope that this makes sense. And with the same acrylic white paint, I'm going to distress both of the boxes. And now I'm going to help it dry with a little bit of heat. Now let's put back this cover that we painted in white. But before we continue, I'm going to remove this label. I'm going to take some more of this acrylic white paint, and I'm going to be distressing both of these wood stems. Now I'm going to go ahead and take some hot glue, and I'm going to put one stem on each box, creating a beautiful pumpkin. I took this pretty lace ribbon and I am twisting it. I'm gonna make a knot and I'm gonna put it around the stem, sort of like a scarf. And again, I'll be doing this to both of the stems. And look at how pretty. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the second box with the same ribbon. This ribbon is so beautiful. Now they have it also in green. I went to the dollar store the other day, or I should say Dollar Tree, and I purchased the green one. I wish I would have had it when I did this video, and I would have probably alternated in green. It's a beautiful green color. I'll be using it in my next video. And now I have these beautiful fairy lights. This was given to me by a dear friend on Christmas, and I have been taking advantage of these beautiful fairy lights. I'm gonna be putting one on each, and this is it, guys. I'm hoping that you enjoy these DIYs, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Just remember that when you give me a thumbs up, that helps my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.